I can do anything I want. I would be world champion. But the thing was, talagang pag may gusto ka, susubukan ka rin talaga eh. Kung talagang gusto mo yung goal mo na yun. If you're willing to do everything and anything na kaya mo to reach for that goal. And indeed, our family went rock bottom. In the year 2000, 2008, we went rock bottom. And then that was when I realized that I needed more of this stuff, NLP. And then, so, na-apply ko yung NLP. And then I won my first world championship in 2009. But akala nyo, yes! Pero everything's up. Yes, financially, yes. But you see, as you win a world championship, lahat ng insecurity ko, lahat ng issues ko, everything, nakita ba ako everything kasi yan aakyat eh. Everything na lahat mo. And it will be a voice in your head saying na, champ pa lang mo. Hindi naman ano yun. Nagkataon lang yun. Akala mo, galing-galing mo. So I went to a slump. I went to for 3 years now. I went to 4 years now. So I said to myself, hindi pwede kong ganito. Yes, I am a world champion. But, ano ba yun? Is this it? So sabi ko, isa pa. Yeah. But I wanted more from it. So then, sabi ko, I wanted to learn more about NLP. Because ang alam ko sa NLP is very, kumbaga, just the surface of things. So that's when, ikaw susubukan ka kung talagang gusto mo yung goal mo. But then we will provide the means. We will help you. So there, through a common community with Coach P, I was introduced to Coach Cherry. And there, kaya tinutulungan ko ni Coach Cherry to reach for my goals. Because, yes, I want to be a world champion. But, katulad ng Coach Cherry is, I want to help people also. And, through Coach Cherry, natutulungan niya ako. Like, for example, before I left for China, yung confidence level ko was very low. And I texted Coach na, sabi ko, Coach, I feel that sobrang wala yung confidence ko. And she gave me techniques. And she gave me, and ang galing, kasi sabi ni Coach Cherry na, once na nagbago ka sa sarili mo, everything will change. Totoo. Kasi, when yung mindset ko, binigyan niya ako ng techniques, nung nagbago yung mindset ko, nagkaroon ng conspiracy to help me. And yung huli kong competition, I may not have won it. But I felt na, yes, nanalo ko na ganyan. But ito lang po siya, hindi ko pa lang siya-share. But ito yung pinaka-breakthrough ko. Ito perfect na ako. Because for the first time, I felt na kaya ko. If I may share lang, sorry, I'm taking after yan. If I may share lang, before kasi, when I competed, I looked up there, kumbaga, para sa general, pag binuksan mo, nakikita ko yung mga world champion. So when I go into competition, hindi pa nagsisimula, pre-judged na. Alam kong talo na. But in this competition, for the first time, pumunta ako doon. Sabi ko, pag in-interview ko, so how do you do? What's your technique? Sabi ko, I played one ball at a time. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano one ball at a time. Alam ko, focus, but I never really knew the true meaning of what I said until the last tournament. When I said one ball at a time, biglang boom. One ball at a time is fight for that one ball. So it may be, synonymous sa inyo, whatever opportunity na meron kayo, fight for it. You fight for that opportunity. And now, I feel like the next competition I'm holding, I will fight for it. Before, hindi ko parang inisip ko, sana world champion ako ulit. Ngayon, ang mindset ko na is, I will fight for that world championship. Tapos another, na tinulungan ako ni Coach was, dito sa back. Coach, hindi ko na Coach. Tinulungan ako with my back. Yeah, wala na. Kasi, oo, kasi, yung after na yung back problems, kasi may excuse for me to anyway, kasi I'm doing exercise, and hindi ko na, hindi ko nagawa na exercise, back problems. Bata pa siya na excuse anymore. And yun, so I was able to share with you some of the things that Coach Cherry taught me. Pero yung pinaka talaga na natulungan ako ni Coach Cherry was yung first meeting namin. Kasi before, I always thought na yung dad ko yung naging problem ko. When I would play with it, yung dad ko, so I felt yun. And then may technique na ginawa sa akin si Coach Cherry. Yung, yes, rehearsal coach. And then for me to notice, and for me to know lang, ay, tungkol tayo ba na hindi ka na dad ko? Because actually, hindi kaya mo. Actually, my mom. Kasi, sige nga, 3 minus 0. Ano po? 3 minus 0. 3, ha? Ang bata kasi ako, tinanong ako, 3 minus 0. Sabi ko, 3. 3 minus 0. Hindi natranda ako. Sabi ko, 0. Sabi ko, 3 minus 0. 3. Paiba-iba. Tapos, yung mom ko, na first grade, tinanong ako sa cabinet. Tinanong ako sa cabinet. So that was where my fear of making mistakes started na lang. And then, si Coach Cherry helped me with that technique na regression. And then now, pag naalala mo yung cabinet, okay pala yung cabinet, nag-iba. Nag-iba yung association ko with the cabinet. And nag-iba yung association ko with making mistakes. So, lahat naman tayo manage and we hope that Coach be able to help you guys. And if you ask me, yes, marami naman talagang tumulong ng NLB. Marami na kasi marunong, di ba? Coach mo. But why Coach Cherry? Why did ako personally Why did I coach? Ako na coach. Why did I choose Coach Cherry? It's because somehow I see that the values are aligned with my values. Kung nakikita ko na, kasi actually nalaman ni Coach B na into NLP because I was helping someone out. I think something that parang going through a hard parang broken yata. Tapos sabi ko, basta ganito, imagine mo, clown siya, gano'n. So gano'n yung pinakamabago lang kasi alam ko. Kumbaga, I want to help people out through NLP because it did wonders in my life. So I really hope that we will take this chance for it to do wonders for my life also. And I would hope that ito, and she's a friend, but I believe in her and I see that she really wants to help out. So I really hope that we will give her a chance. And I'm cute. Si di ba ito karamihan? Coldplay. Coldplay. Basta ba? Ay, sorry. Doon na tayo sa punchline ko. Really, you will help me out. Wala kapag nagtulog ko na. Anyway, so, yun po yung ano ko is that, and then really help. Okay, kung ano man yung ano is that, yun yung ano ko is that it helped me reach for my goals. And I know that right now kasi, I'm reaching for more goals. Ang dami ko pang gusto mong achieve, ang dami ko pang gusto mong marating. And with Coach Cherry's help, I hope na marating ko yun. And I know na mararating ko yun with God's help. Thank you very much.